Mercedes-Benz, a name synonymous with luxury, performance, and innovation. For over a century, this German automotive giant has captivated the world. Mercedes-Benz has consistently set the benchmark in the automotive industry. From its humble beginnings to its present-day dominance, the story of Mercedes-Benz is one of remarkable ingenuity. It's a story of groundbreaking inventions. It's also a story of an unwavering commitment to excellence. This essay delves into the captivating history of Mercedes-Benz. We uncover the key milestones and lesser-known facts. Explore the impact Mercedes-Benz has had on the automotive world. Join us as we journey through time. Discover the legacy of Mercedes-Benz and its promising future. The story of Mercedes-Benz begins with two German pioneers, Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler. These visionary engineers, working independently, laid the foundation for the automotive industry. In 1886, Karl Benz patented the first practical automobile, the Benz patent motor wagon. This three-wheeled vehicle marked a pivotal moment in history. It heralded the dawn of personal motorized transportation. Around the same time, Gottlieb Daimler developed his high-speed internal combustion engine. He fitted it to a stagecoach, creating the first four-wheeled automobile. Both inventions revolutionized transportation. In 1926, the companies founded by these pioneers merged. This merger formed Daimler-Benz AG, the forerunner to today's Mercedes-Benz. This union brought together decades of expertise. It also combined their shared vision for the future of automobiles. The early 20th century was a period of significant growth for Daimler-Benz. The company introduced several innovations. These innovations would shape the automotive landscape for years to come. One such innovation was the development of the first supercharged production car in 1921. This innovation significantly boosted engine power, enhancing performance. Another milestone was the introduction of the diesel-powered car in 1936. The Mercedes-Benz 260 became the world's first diesel-powered passenger car to enter series production. This innovation showcased the company's commitment to fuel efficiency. These early milestones cemented Mercedes-Benz's position as an automotive pioneer. They also established the company's reputation for engineering excellence. This reputation continues to define the brand today. Throughout its history, Mercedes-Benz has been synonymous with innovation. The company holds numerous patents for groundbreaking technologies. These technologies have not only enhanced the driving experience, but also improved safety standards. One of the most significant contributions of Mercedes-Benz is the crumple zone. This safety feature, introduced in the 1950s, absorbs impact energy during a collision. It protects the passenger compartment. Another groundbreaking innovation was the anti-lock braking system, or ABS. Introduced by Mercedes-Benz in 1978, ABS prevents wheels from locking up during braking. This allows the driver to maintain steering control. These innovations, along with many others, have saved countless lives. They have made Mercedes-Benz a leader in automotive safety. Section 5. Unveiling the untold lesser-known facts about Mercedes-Benz. Beyond its well-known achievements, Mercedes-Benz harbors a treasure trove of lesser-known facts and intriguing anecdotes. For instance, the iconic three-pointed star logo, representing the company's ambition to dominate land, sea, and air, was inspired by a postcard. It was not originally intended as a permanent emblem. Furthermore, contrary to popular belief, the first vehicle to bear the name Mercedes was not a car. It was a Daimler Motorengesellschaft race car named after Mercedes Jelinek, the daughter of Emil Jelinek, an Austrian businessman and Daimler dealer. These lesser-known facts add another layer of intrigue to the Mercedes-Benz story. They provide a glimpse into the rich history and heritage behind this iconic brand. Section 6. Motoring royalty, iconic Mercedes-Benz models through the years. Over the decades, Mercedes-Benz has produced a series of iconic models. These models have become synonymous with luxury, performance, and timeless design. The elegant Mercedes-Benz S-Class, first introduced in 1954, has become the epitome of luxury sedans. It is renowned for its sophisticated features and unparalleled comfort. Then there's the sporty Mercedes-Benz SL Class, a roadster that embodies style and performance. First introduced in 1954, the SL Class has captivated generations with its sleek design and powerful engines. These iconic Mercedes-Benz models, each with its unique character and appeal, have cemented the brand's status as a motoring legend. They continue to inspire automotive enthusiasts around the world. Section 7. A global automotive icon, Mercedes-Benz's worldwide influence. Mercedes-Benz's influence extends far beyond its German roots. The company has a truly global presence. It has manufacturing plants and dealerships in numerous countries. Mercedes-Benz has played a pivotal role in shaping the automotive industry worldwide. Its commitment to innovation has driven technological advancements across the board. Moreover, Mercedes-Benz has consistently set high standards for quality and craftsmanship. This has influenced other automakers to strive for excellence in their own products. Mercedes-Benz's global impact is undeniable. The brand's unwavering dedication to engineering excellence, luxurious craftsmanship, and innovative design continues to resonate with customers on every continent. Section 8. Beyond the road, Mercedes-Benz in motorsport and popular culture. Mercedes-Benz's influence transcends the realm of automobiles. The company has a rich history in motorsport, achieving numerous victories and shaping the sport. From Formula One to touring car racing, Mercedes-Benz has consistently demonstrated its engineering prowess and competitive spirit on the track. Beyond motorsport, Mercedes-Benz has made its mark on popular culture. Its vehicles have been featured in countless films, television shows, and music videos. They have become symbols of success, style, and sophistication. Mercedes-Benz's involvement in motorsport and its presence in popular culture have further solidified its iconic status. The brand's legacy extends beyond automobiles, capturing the imagination of people worldwide. Section 9. Shaping the future of mobility. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to innovation. Mercedes-Benz continues to be at the forefront of automotive innovation. The company is committed to shaping the future of mobility with its forward-thinking technologies. Electric mobility is a key focus for Mercedes-Benz. The company is investing heavily in the development of electric vehicles under its EQ sub-brand. Autonomous driving is another area where Mercedes-Benz is making significant strides. The company is developing advanced driver assistance systems. These systems pave the way for a future of self-driving cars. Mercedes-Benz's unwavering commitment to innovation ensures that the brand remains at the forefront of the automotive industry. It continues to shape the future of mobility. Section 10. Sustainability and beyond. Mercedes-Benz's vision for tomorrow. As a leading automotive manufacturer, Mercedes-Benz recognizes its responsibility to environmental sustainability. The company is taking significant steps to reduce its environmental impact. Mercedes-Benz aims to achieve carbon neutrality across its entire value chain by 2030. This includes using renewable energy sources in its production facilities and reducing emissions from its vehicles. The company is also exploring innovative materials and manufacturing processes. These innovations will further reduce its environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Mercedes-Benz's vision for the future extends beyond just building cars. The company is committed to creating a more sustainable and responsible automotive industry for generations to come. Section 11. Conclusion. The enduring appeal of Mercedes-Benz. From its humble beginnings in 19th century Germany to its present-day status as a global automotive icon, Mercedes-Benz has consistently captivated the world with its unwavering commitment to innovation, luxury, and performance. The story of Mercedes-Benz is a testament to the power of engineering excellence, groundbreaking inventions, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. As Mercedes-Benz continues to innovate and shape the future of mobility, one thing remains certain: the allure of the three-pointed star will continue to captivate generations to come. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history and innovations of Mercedes-Benz, be sure to like this post, follow our channel, and subscribe to the Fact Grid for more fascinating insights.